Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making one of the craziest recipe with the help of breads and apple. I'm making the apple bread halwa. Let's check the recipe how I'm making. Six pieces breads, milk 200 ml, sugar 100 grams, cardamom powder 3 pots, ghee, apple 1. This is the recipe for apple bread halwa. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the bread and cut into small dices. First cut into edges. Make into 4 dices. Set it into a line. Pour the milk. And soak it for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then make a halwa. Press like this once. It will soak nicely. Take the kadai, add ghee or butter. Next add the soaked bread. Cook it on a low flame. Cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. Next add the sugar. The sugar is melted. Next add the ilachi, cardamom powder, and cook it for 2 minutes. If you want to add dry fruits, you can add dry fruits, kaju, badam, pista, whatever you like. Cut the apple pieces and grate it on top. Before switch off the flame. And again cook it for a few minutes, and it will get the nice apple flavor to the bread. Now the bread halwa is done. Switch off the flame and take it to the serving plate. Bread halwa, it's a nice recipe and everybody can do in the fast within 5 to 10 minutes, and it's looking very beautiful. And make the garnish with the apples. On top, make the garnish with apples cut into small sizes. On top, Wow, finally bread halwa is done and I'm tasting. I'm getting apple bread. Nice recipe, and thanks for watching. Follow this if you like.